What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. So I'm going to show you really quick how to remove your rear bumper on your Ford Bronco. So there's going to be a total of 6 bolts that you have to remove. I'm using a size 18 socket for the big ones and a size 13 socket for the small ones. So it's actually really easy, really simple, and I'm gonna just show you everything really quick. So first bolts you're gonna want to take out on either side are gonna be right, sorry about the lighting, there. As you can see, it's attached to the bumper. So you're gonna remove that bolt to size 13. I've already pretty much gotten all mine loose, so it'll just come out, and there it is. So now I'll show you the hole where it came from, right there. So you're gonna remove that. While you're on this side, you're gonna unbuckle this little, you're gonna unclip the lights. Sorry, it's not focusing very well. Try to see if I can get everything to focus. There you go. So that's just a clip. This clip is actually going to be on the inside. So right there on the inside. So you're going to have to clip it out with your right hand probably. Come on over here to this side, the passenger side, and you're going to do the same thing. So let me see if I can get a good view. Right there's the bolt. Sorry again for the camera not focusing. Right there. So there's the clip. And this side of the clip, as you can see, right there on the outside is where you're going to press the little clip to unclip it. And then, again, sorry, this camera angles suck. So, right there's the bolt. So you're going to remove that one. It's also, like I said, size 13. Oh, knocking stuff over. So once you get that out, it's pretty simple and easy to work with. Again, the lighting is horrible, but that's what it looks like when the bolt's gone. Right there. So the clip's done on this side, and the bolt's done on the inside, or the back of it too. So those are the 2 bolts you're going to use to remove. And then come down here on this side, you're going to have 2 18 or size 18 bolts. So again, I already have these ones pretty much out. And there is Loctite on them. So when you do put on a new bumper, make sure you put Loctite on them. Then you're going to come over here to right here. Kind of little tow hook is. And then I already got one of these out. There again, it's got Loctite on it. So when you do put your new bolts back in with this, make sure you do the Loctite. This is the last one I need to remove, and then the bumper should just come off. So I'm gonna take this bolt out and probably use 2 hands, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I got the last bolt out. Here it is. This is gonna come off. Luckily, the system they have for this is pretty cool. It won't fall on your face, luckily, because this little clip right here goes in the middle, and then you just kind of have to pop it out of there. So this is nice and easy to take out, but it keeps this from falling on your face. So that's kind of nice. So the rear tire, as you can see, keeps it on there from falling on you. So keep the door shut if you don't want your bumper falling on you. And then it should just pull out. I guess, let's see. Here we go. I don't know how heavy it is, so I might struggle. Oh, there it goes. Pops right off. So, there it is. This should be a pretty easy job. The hardest part is going to be getting the 4 bolts out of the bottom, because again, those are in there really tight with Loctite. So again, just make sure when you put your bumper back on, whatever bolts yours gives you, or if you use the stock bolts, or whatever the case may be, what you're doing, maybe putting an exhaust on, make sure you use Loctite again. But as you can see, here's where the 13 was going, and then the 2 right here, right there on the other side. Those are the two size 18 bolts. So super easy, super simple to take off. I'm running a dual exhaust on this, so I'll put the link of that in the bottom too if you're interested in that. And I've also put the link of some tools that I used that I got off of Amazon, stuff like that, to remove this. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. I'm gonna mock up my new bumper. If you wanna see how to install a new bumper, especially with this one, it's, I can't remember the brand exactly, but it is not a common one, and I haven't found any videos on how to install it yet. So if you wanna see the videos on how to install it, I'll show you. What we're gonna have to do is remove these sensors that I have on my bumper and put them on the new one. Also, just make sure when you're doing this, you mark the sensors on how they are. So like R1, M1, and then like L1, L2. I would just mark it that way to make sure you're putting the sensors back, or mark it however you want. Right side, middle right, left middle, left. I mean, mark it however you want to make sure you put the sensors in right. But yeah, this is just a quick video on how to remove this. And then again, to remove this, you're gonna have to just slowly go through it and start removing it. So again, that will be on my other video on how to remove that. And then like I said, here's those clips right here. Oh, actually they're on the bumper. So those have to be plugged back in, obviously, and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. And thank you for watching 303 Streets. Thank you and have a good day.